Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll be showing you on how you can attach and use the fishing bait in Stardew Valley. Basically, what you need to do is to progress through the second day of Stardew Valley, and from there you will get this specific mail that reads that the fisherman isn't available. So you just want to progress through your day, and then the next day you want to head over to this specific location right here, and then he will give you a fishing rod like this one. Basically, this starting rod won't allow you to attach bait. Now the specific location is going to be on this beach right here. So you just want to head over to this location, and from there you then want to progress through your fishing by just using the normal fishing rod. And then as you catch more fish, you will basically get more level, enabling you to purchase the higher tiers of fishing pole on the store right here. So you just want to progress through your game, head over to the click right here, and then you will be able to purchase the fiberglass rod. After purchasing the fiberglass rod, it's really simple to attach your bait. Just head over to your inventory. From here, you will see the icon for the fishing bait. Just choose your desired fishing bait, click on it, and then you want to right click on the pole that you have or rod. On mobile devices, you can just drag it onto your fishing pole or rod, and then the bait will now be attached. So let's then go ahead and use our fishing pole, and then with that you have successfully attached and used your bait in Stardew Valley. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.